Okay. At the foot of the ladder, the lamb footbeds are only, for those who haven't read the plaque, will read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this lamb.
After over 40 years, the dream of seeing human footprints on the moon again is becoming a reality. With NASA's ambitious Artemis program, a brand new journey into the depths of space is beginning. So, what exactly does the Artemis program aim to achieve? In essence, Artemis seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, eventually using it as a stepping stone for missions to Mars. The Apollo missions were single visits. Artemis plans to build a long-term presence and research base on the lunar surface. This isn't just about another landing. It marks the dawn of a new era in space exploration. The first step of the Artemis program was the uncrewed Artemis I mission. This mission successfully tested all critical systems of the Orion capsule and the Space Launch System, SLS rocket, in the deep space environment. The Orion capsule orbited the moon, returned to Earth, and provided crucial confidence for future crewed missions. Now, we turn our attention to the Artemis II mission. This mission will be the first crewed flight to approach the moon in over 40 years. But here's the key. Artemis II will orbit the moon and return to Earth, rather than landing on its surface. Why? Because this mission is vital for conducting a series of critical tests essential for future lunar landings. The primary objective of Artemis II is to rigorously test the Orion capsule's life support systems, communications, navigation, and, most importantly, its high-speed re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, all with astronauts on board. 4 courageous astronauts will push Orion and themselves to their limits on this historic journey. Their experiences will provide invaluable data for the astronauts who will land on the moon's surface during the future Artemis III mission. The success of Artemis II is a monumental step, not just for NASA, but for all of humanity. This mission brings us closer to realizing our dream of establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. The potential resources on the moon will open new doors for humanity's future in space. And perhaps most significantly, the moon will serve as a spaceport for humanity's next giant leap, missions to Mars. As you can see, the return to the moon is not just a nostalgic look back, but a massive scientific and technological leap forward that is opening the doors to the future. With Artemis II, humanity is preparing to embark on one of the most exciting chapters in space exploration once again.
Both hands down about the 4th rung up. There you go. Okay, now I think I'll do the same.